Hey, hi, hello, frauders. Welcome back again. So many a time when we go through YouTube videos, so we might even think of starting a YouTube video or YouTube channel basically. And one question might arise, and because of which we would stop, is how do we go about, or what content would be doing? Because in order to start it, now initially if you are aggressive and if you are starting, it's very much well and good. Ideally you should start, but in back of your mind you should always think that how can you go about with the consistency, or the consistency of the video and the content is very important. No matter people would see or not, but you should have the content with you so that you can proceed further and consistently upload your video, because uploading your video would give you an satisfaction as well, and you should be passionate about it so that you would give your 100% while you are doing your video. And as far as the YouTube is concerned, I might have told you, or many other YouTube creator might have told you in past, is do not start your YouTube, or do not start a channel just to earn, because earning should yes, ideally people would like to earn. However, this should not be a monetary goal to earn, because if you are doing so, you won't get succeeded. So all you need to do is just think about it, and in order to start, you do not require a good camera or anything. You just need to record it with the normal camera, let it be a selfie camera or the normal one, the phone which you are using. From that you can start recording. And I know it would be very much bad as far as the first video is concerned, but you would get a good experience, and you would get a good knowledge when you go further, because life is all about learning, and experience is the best thing to proceed further with. Because once you get the experience, you get to know the do's and don't. When you upfrontly, or when you in person realize the experience, feel the experience, you definitely make many changes. So in order to start your YouTube, all you need to do is just start with your normal camera, just start recording as I am doing now, and upload it. That is it. And as far as the editing or any other background music is concerned, initially I don't feel that that would make any impact, but your content would make a huge impact. So if you are willing to start, so you definitely should start. Let it be any kind of thing, because there are many YouTube channels which I have seen. The content is nothing, but they have reached a good subscriber base because of their consistency. So all you need to do is just start it and do it consistently. Cheers. Thank you.